We are at the end of the truck drawer build. A very cold night, very late on a Sunday. And here we go. So we're gonna start off like, first hour we started the ARB slider. Looking very good. Fridge on. Drawers with locking sliders. Very nice cook partner. Excellent. And the finish came out really super good. This is actually set up to be a cutting board. Yeah, that one's a little stiff. Oh, does that open smooth? Really just top notch. And then finally, last piece, is a slide out camp table. Nice and snug. The table slides right out. For ease of storage. And that's it. That is it. It's a long week of working. We're never gonna get that out again. All right. There you go. Definitely looks a lot better, a lot more efficient. Saves us a lot of room. All right, thanks. We'll see you later.